Parrot Face Tree.
This parrot's face tree blends vibrant feathers with twisted bark, symbolizing the harmony between wildlife and forest life. Its colorful crown represents intelligence, communication, and the tropical spirit of nature.
Cat Face Tree.
The cat face tree forms sharp eyes and elegant whiskers through natural wood curves. It represents mystery, independence, and the silent strength hidden within the forest.
Owl Face Tree.
With deep carved eyes and leafy brows, the owl face tree stands as a guardian of wisdom. It symbolizes knowledge, night vision, and the ancient secrets of the woodland.
Gorilla Face Tree.
Massive roots shape the powerful face of the gorilla face tree. It reflects leadership, resilience, and the raw strength of nature's oldest forests.
Wolf Face Tree.
The wolf face tree emerges from sharp branches and fierce features. It represents loyalty, survival instincts, and the untamed spirit of the wild.
Panda Face Tree.
In the heart of a peaceful
Surrounded by bamboo-like stems, the panda face tree shows balance and peace. It symbolizes calmness, conservation, and harmony with nature.
Eagle Face Tree.
Its branches stretch like flowing feathers, forming the bold eagle face tree. It stands for freedom, vision, and dominance in the skies.
Elephant Face Tree.
Elephant face tree. The elephant face tree is shaped by thick roots forming a strong trunk-like structure. It represents wisdom, memory, and the deep-rooted power of the earth.
Tiger Face Tree.
Bold stripes appear through the natural bark patterns of the tiger face tree. It symbolizes courage, confidence, and the fearless beauty of the jungle.
Girl Face Tree.
Soft branches form delicate facial features in the girl face tree. It represents purity, growth, and the magical connection between humans and nature.